that's my car right there. And these are the fender flares right here. Yeah, so we're gonna unbox them real quick and then install them. Got my drill and everything already in there. Let's get it. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steezy, man. So we're about to put on the fender flares, aka mini wide body. They came actually pretty quick. Pretty much all you need is just a drill and whatever comes in the box and the Mountain Dew. You can't forget the Mountain Dew. So, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, alright, let's get it. Voila. This one. I guess so. Alright, so these are bigger ones, wider, so I'm guessing these should be the back ones. Unfortunately, there is no fucking screws, so I'm kind of fucked. So I'm gonna have to see you guys in a little bit, okay? Just let me go get some real quick. With the power of editing, I'm back, but that actually took like an hour. We're gonna be working on the back one first.
Go, go. Bye-bye.
Perfect, we got the perfect one. Let's get it. Alright, we're gonna get started.
We gon' find out. No, I can't be around for seeing that shit. Yeah, we don't really care. No stunner. Yeah, we gon' put it in the air. Feel up. Do the grass, check for snakes by my tongue. Yeah, no.